what the admin did, very interesting, but again, very predictable and very playbook. Si BBM ang sinabi ng good luck, di ba? Yun ang yung sinabi niya, good luck. Pero yung kanilang lightning rod, yung kanilang designated tip of the spear, na si Auntie Claire, umupak and somewhat gave a concise version, not as elegant or not as emotionally driven as Senor Christian Esguerra's rant just now, no? But Auntie Claire did deliver an abridged version of that dun sa kanyang press con. Inisa-isa niya. Di ba? Ito dapat, dito ka dapat mag-sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos inisa-isa niya, di ba? Pretty much summing up the points. And it was good that it was Auntie Claire. Dapat siya, hindi pwedeng yung Pangulo. Kasi rock in a hard place ka kung Pangulo ka eh. Pag pinatulan mo yan, pag ikaw mismo ang nagsalita, you're giving weight and gravity to the declaration. Di ba? Pag hindi ka naman nag-react, talagang napaka-unaffected tong si Presidente. Hindi alam kung ano nangyayari sa mundo, sa Pilipinas. So, you know, ano yan eh, you're trapped eh, pag Pangulo ka. So, I like that he just said good luck, tapos si Auntie Claire yung umupa.
Ikaw bilang isang strategist, no? How would you assess yung si Yusek Claire as the tip of the spear?
Okay, ito na, matatawag na ako. Biased, your favorite word, Ian Esguerra. Biased. There's a tinge of bias in me because I like Auntie Claire. I do. I personally like her. We got along fine. I find her to be a nice, pleasant lady, and I think she does her job very well in terms of being a lightning rod. I mean, I know this is logical fallacy thinking. Yan, UST, mga taga UST. Logical fallacy to, but I shudder to think what the administration would look like comms-wise kung wala si Auntie Claire. Can you just imagine the heat they would get? Imagine na wala silang pitbull na taga-kagat. So I think Auntie Claire fills those roles very, very well. They never had that before. So actually, I like her.
Actually, naisip ko metaphor dito parang hindi ba pejorative sa kanya yung yung Auntie Claire? Kasi parang ginagamit.
She loves it.
Okay, sige, gamitin ko na rin. Si Auntie Claire. Na-imagine ko sa kanya. Okay, na-imagine ko sa kanyang sa kanyang ang metaphor na na-imagine ko for her. Siya yung nakabantay sa tindahan. Tapos nakapamewang.
Tapos diba? may 'di ba, may tabako. Tapos kung kailangan ilabas yung para siyang si Kung Fu Hustle. Exactly, yes. Brother. If you got the reference, she's the Kung Fu Hustle woman. Yeah, exactly that, brother. Exactly that. None shall pass. So yan ang role ni Auntie Claire. And by the way, she embraces that, Auntie Claire, dahil tuwan-tuwa nga siya dahil sinabi ko, alam mo Auntie Claire, you're anti-fake news at you're anti, di ba? So tuwan-tuwa siya, ang ganda niyan.
Germs. Magaling
diba?